Thanks for tuning in. This is our first vlog or video blog, and I'm your host, Harrison Scheider. I am Vice President here at American Risk Management and a wholesale environmental broker. On today's episode, we're going to talk about traps and tools. So when talking about environmental insurance and pollution exclusions, you can think of pollution exclusions like this. Traps, right? They'll get you every single time if you're not using the right tool. So we help you pinpoint those traps. When you see that there's a trap, you have to figure out the right type of tool to cover those gaps in clients' policies. So you can use, tools like contractors' pollution liability insurance to cover contracting risks, or you can use environmental impairment liability policies or site-based environmental insurance policies to cover your manufacturers, distributors, apartments, or hotel complexes. Now, as you can see, if you use the wrong type of tool to fill a gap or trap, there may not be any coverage at all. If you use a hammer as a screwdriver, then sorry, no coverage. There are certain conditions in specific types of environmental insurance policies that may not relate to what your client does actually for a living. One trap that's pretty common in today's contracting realm is the contractor's job site pollution liability coverage endorsement. Now, a lot of times this is certified as environmental insurance, and there are actually some key differences that make it not such. It actually doesn't have its own insuring agreement. It's an endorsement to the GL policy, and it actually shares the aggregate limit of insurance with the GL policy. So there, it's not true environmental insurance. A true contractor's pollution liability insurance policy will have its own insuring agreement, its own set of conditions, and its own set of exclusions. It's a separate policy, and it will actually have its own set of limits. So we recently just wrote an article on the subject, and you can click on the link here if you'd like to read further. There's blog posts all the time and new articles coming out with good to know information on environmental insurance on our website, which you can also find in the link below. Again, very excited to be here to be able to share this new content with our commercial agency partners on this new venue. Hopefully you can utilize some of the tools that we're talking about here and have this new discussion with some of your prospects and current customers. Until next time, watch out for those traps, and if you need any help, just let us know.